How to operate your LED sign by Mega LED technology. Hello, and welcome to the tutorial videos on how to operate and program your LED sign from Mega LED technology. In the following videos, you will learn everything you need to know in order to create your custom message and attract customers to your business. Welcome to the tutorial on using Mega Cloud to control, program, and monitor your LED sign. You can access this application from home, office, or any internet-connected device. Data is stored in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing your data. Mega Cloud is stored on Amazon Web Services with the highest reliability and security. First, you'll need an internet-connected device to log into Mega Cloud. It is recommended to use modern web browsers such as Google Chrome when accessing Mega Cloud. Go to megacloud.us and enter your ID and password. You can find your ID and password on the instruction manual that came with the sign. If you ever forget your password, click on Forgot Password to reset your password. If you can't locate your Mega Cloud ID and password, please call our representatives to have one created for you. Once logged in, navigation icons are conveniently located on the left side of the browser. The first step in creating content for your sign is to create what's called a campaign. Within a campaign, you can insert one or more slides. A slide is a single message that can be shown on the sign. The slide can contain pictures, videos, text, clock, weather, and temperature information. You can add a slide by clicking on the plus icon. You can remove the slide by clicking on the X icon. The preview window is located on the top. The preview window can be zoomed in or zoomed out. You can also reset the zoom level to default value. Images and videos can be added by clicking on the media icon. Click on Add Material to select the image or video from the media library. Mega Cloud's powerful search tool will allow you to easily find the media you are looking for. Type in the file name of your media onto the search bar, and the relevant media will be shown. When the image or video is added, it's automatically sized to fit the full height and width of your sign. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the control box around the media. Position the item by dragging it to your desired location of the slide. Click on Maximize icon to fill the screen size. You may also crop the image or video clip to only use a portion of it on your slide. Click on Crop icon, then drag and resize the box around the selection of media you wish to use to crop. Resize the media by clicking and dragging the control box around the item. And position the media. You can adjust the duration. Duration is how long you like to show the image on the sign. By default, duration is set at 6 seconds and can be adjusted as necessary. Text can be added by clicking on the single-line text icon or multi-line text icon. Single-line text allows you to insert one line of text, and multi-line text allows you to insert more than one line of text. Single-line text is recommended for smaller-sized LED signs. To change your message, type into the text box. Font style, size, color, outline, and shadow can be selected. Scrolling effect and speed can be selected if you can't fit all of your messages into the slide. Let's talk about layers. There are different layers within a slide. A layer is the feature used to describe the different levels at which you can place text, images, and videos. In the application, you can stack, merge, or define layers when creating a slide. For the purpose of editing, working with layers allows you to go back and make changes within a layer. You can select the layer icons to show its properties. You can also move the layer up or down by clicking the up or down arrow. The campaign list shows you all of the campaigns you have created. As you build up your campaign, You can organize the campaign by creating a folder. Click on the New Folder icon to create a folder, then name the folder. You can easily move the campaign to the folder to stay organized. You can use the search bar to easily search for the campaigns you have created. Media Library will store all of your images and video clips to create an attractive slide. To upload a file, simply drag and drop the file from your computer, or click on the Upload Media icon to select the file. Once processed, your image or video will appear as a thumbnail. To publish the campaign to the sign, click on the Publish icon, then select the sign. Drag and drop the previously completed campaign into the playlist. The campaign will be played in sequence in the playlist. You can easily click and drag the campaign within the playlist to rearrange the play order. One of the most powerful features of MegaCloud is the scheduling feature. This feature allows you to set a schedule for when you'd like contents to be shown on your sign. This allows you to customize your message based on the date and time. By default, all campaigns are set to play at all times. To edit the schedule, locate the campaign you want to schedule, then click on the clock icon. Select a period of time to schedule, a specific date, time, and even start and end date. Once the schedule is set, the clock icon will turn blue to let you know that the scheduling has been enabled. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact your rep for support.